Welcome back, dear friends and supporters. We continue our journey through the ESX framework. One of the most important elements in a server is crafting guns and tools. So today, I've got a great crafting script to share with you. Let's dive in and get your server up and running with an awesome crafting system. To kick off the integration of this dynamic update into your FiveM server, begin by heading to our GitHub page. We've made this step straightforward for you by placing the link right in the video description for easy access. Upon reaching the page, proceed to download the folder. Once downloaded, unzip the folder and then copy and paste it into the server directory that best fits your configuration. The subsequent step requires a minor adjustment. Simply eliminate the word main from the folder name to guarantee a seamless setup process. Now, if you head over to the docs, you'll find all the dependencies required for this crafting script. Most importantly, you'll need oxlib and stevolib, which acts as a bridge between Qbcore and ESX. The installation process is the same as we've done before. Make sure to add the files to the standalone folder and rename them to remove the version number so it only shows stevolib. Next, let's navigate to the crafting folder and open the setup folder. First, copy the images from the setup folder and go to the aux inventory folder. Open the web folder and paste the images into the images folder. Then go back to the docs and you'll find the code snippet for the items that need to be added to aux inventory. Copy the snippet, navigate to the aux inventory folder, and open the data folder. Find the items. Lua file and paste the item's code there. Be sure you don't cause any syntax errors during this process. After extensive testing and productive discussions, I'm thrilled to announce that RocketNode and CODEIN are now official partners. We recognize the critical importance of providing top-tier hosting services to ensure your players enjoy an exceptional FiveM experience. RocketNode comes with DDoS protection, 24/7 support, and cloud backups. They offer extremely customizable FiveM server hosting, allowing you to create your own server with just one click. Their easy-to-use control panel makes it simple to set up and modify your FiveM server. If you're tired of searching for a reliable provider for your community, start building with RocketNode today. Make sure to use the link in the description and get a 25% discount on your server by using the promo code provided below. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to enhance your server with a reliable hosting solution. Now, if you open the config file, you'll find the names of the crafting tables. You can use the command/give item to obtain the crafting items for testing. Remember, for ESX users, many of the required items for crafting might not exist by default, so you can simply change them to items of your choice. For example, in the tool section, you might want to replace the laptop item with something else. In my case, I've changed the item to phone and lockpick. With these changes, you'll be able to craft guns and tool items. Also, note that some weapons, like the pistol, require a blueprint to craft. You can easily create more blueprints by changing the item name. For example, you can create an item called blueprint_rifle and add this blueprint to the config, so only players with that blueprint can craft specific weapons. This adds an extra layer of progression and strategy to your crafting system. In this setup, the crafting system is divided into two tables, one for weapons and the other for tools. When you're changing the tool items, make sure to add the correct prop for each tool, as I haven't changed them in this video. This will ensure the proper functionality of each item and make the crafting process smoother for your players. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this crafting script brings a lot of fun and creativity to your ESX server, allowing players to craft guns and tools with ease. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I am very happy to announce that CODEIN has now crossed 4,200 plus active members, making it one of the best FiveM developers and server owners hubs. Fueled by this increase in member count, We've added developer AI bots to help fix code snippets for users facing issues. Moreover, users can also create logos for their servers using our logo-creating AI bots. With support for all frameworks from thousands of developers, you'll also find all the necessary free items needed to start a simple roleplay server. So what's stopping you from joining? Join now!